Zoom in on a smooth curve. Keep zooming. Eventually, it's a straight line. And straight lines aren't curved at all. So, where does the curvature go? This number decides how hard your steering wheel is turned, how much force pins you to the door in a bend, why a roller coaster can't join a straight track directly to a loop. And at the largest scale, it's what gravity is. Two curves through the same point, same slope, same tangent line. The tangent can't tell them apart. A straight line has nothing to say about bending. So stop using a line. Use a circle. At every point, there's exactly one circle that hugs the curve best, matching its position, its direction, and how hard it's turning. The kissing circle. Watch it as we travel. On the gentle stretch as it swells. Enormous. Into a tight bend, it shrinks. But that's backwards. Big circle, gentle curve. So flip it. 1 over the radius. A straight line is a circle of infinite radius. 1 over infinity is 0. No curvature. Exactly right. Same idea from the other side. Walk the curve at a steady pace, and watch your direction arrow. Curvature is just how fast that arrow turns. Formally, let S be arc length and T the unit tangent. Curvature is the magnitude of dt/ds, turning per unit distance traveled, which is exactly 1 over r. And for a graph, y equals f of x, it's f double prime over 1 plus f prime squared to the 3/2. The tangent line tells you where you're heading. The kissing circle tells you how hard you're turning. So don't memorize the 3/2 power. Find the circle that fits and take 1 over its radius. And on a surface, there's a different circle in every direction. Gauss found something remarkable hiding in those.